Welcome back. Let's do question 114. In the diagram alongside, T is a point in the Cartesian plane such that OT is 17 units. P lies on OT. K is a point on the positive x-axis, and angle TOK is theta. Determine with the aid of the diagram the following for finding sine squared theta. We managed to find x here, and remember we said that sine theta is equal to y over r, cos theta is equal to x over r, and tan theta is equal to y over x. Right, what is sine squared theta now? Okay, remember that sine squared theta is just the same as sine theta squared. This is how I write sine theta squared. We say sine squared theta. Now we're going to say sine squared theta is equal to, what is sine theta? Y over r. Y is 15. R, the OT, is 17. So this is like 15 over 17 squared. Okay, so which is what? Sine squared theta is 225 over 289.